Hello everyone, I am Kaushik Chakravarti. Welcome you all to the best rooftop gardening channel. Hello friends, welcome back to the best rooftop gardening channel. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe it. Today we are going to discuss about how to grow hibiscus from cutting. So let's begin. First we have to take healthy branches from mother plant and we need to remove all the leaves with the help of a pruner. It is almost ready. Now we need to cut it into pieces with a length of 10 to 12 inches. Now we will prepare more cuttings in the same way. Now we will take root hormone. Now we will put all the cuttings in this pot. We need to just lose the soil a little bit so that roots can grow easily. And now we need to dip all the cutting, the edges of the cutting into the root hormone and just need to put into the soil. In this way. Now we need to press the soil gently. In this way we will complete the process. We will add all the cuttings into the pot and keep it in a shade. Now you can see after 20 days new leaves are growing. Roots of all cuttings have started to grow, and you can see one flower has bloomed. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get updated videos regularly.